Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the management plan for Little Dunns River in St. Anne. Now, there's been a lot of talk about people getting access to local beaches. So this beach, Little Dunns River, is one of the beaches that you don't have to pay to go to. Well, it's a public beach. You can go to it along with. There are a couple beaches in St. Anne that you have access to. But this beach, Little Dunns River, it has the name Dunns River. And anywhere in the world you go, that's a very popular name. Anybody who visits Jamaica, whether you're a tourist or you're a Jamaican, Dunns River is one of the places you want to go and visit. Very nice waterfalls, very popular. So this beach, is Dunns River Beach. It's different from Dunns River Falls. So apparently it was closed recently, and now they are planning to open it back up, and it's a public beach. It's not a private beach. So we're going to go through an article that gives information on what's going on with the beach. The government, through the Urban Development Corporation, has announced plans for the management, operation, and infrastructure upgrade of Little Dunns River, St. Anne. The popular beach attraction was reopened on Boxing Day, December 26 last year, allowing citizens to enjoy its shores during the Christmas season. The beach has since been accessible to the public every Sunday. During a visit to the area on Thursday, January 25th, Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Senator the Honorable Matthew Samuda, indicated that the existing infrastructure capacity to handle the increased pressure has prompted the government to take proactive measures. The Prime Minister has committed that through the UDC we will look at a management plan and operating plan and the infrastructure requirements over the course of this calendar year, Mr. Samuda said. We have to put in that management plan, which will include security and put in arrangements for lifeguards and more, he added. The minister also clarified that the decision to open the beach only on Sundays was deliberate, citing a series of security incidents. He said the management plan now aims to strike a balance between accessibility and security. This approach, which will involve careful planning to create a safe and enjoyable environment for the public, he noted. Now, everything has to be done under structure and in order, Mr. Samuda explained. There are other beaches that will be restored and renovated for free access also, as there is work to be done at Prairie Beach. These facilities will be upgraded to the standard that would be offered anywhere in the world, but for our citizens, he added. For this part, General Manager of the UDC, L. Robert Honeygan, reassured the public that beach access remains a top priority for the entity. He affirmed the UDC's commitment to addressing concerns and improving facilities across the parish, not just at Little Dunns River. We are going through the parish to ensure that the concerns and the items that are in the best interest of the people are addressed, he noted. Alright, so that is the end of the update article. Now, we will be giving you footage of all these areas that we give you updates on. Next time we go to Ochiria, sometime next week, we will be giving you footage of Little Dunns River and all the developments that are going on. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.